Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence. I'm the CEO of Lawrence Group. Um, in this video, I want to talk to you about something that is important, but is also the third part of verbs for professional business communication. This is the third part, and I'm coming with new verbs that we're gonna deal with and to see how they can actually help us, all right, within the business environment. Now, let's move into let's start directly. All right. We have overseer. Overseer. Somebody will ask, what is overseeing? Oversee over here, it simply means to watch or to direct. Now I have to give some little information here, meaning that when somebody oversee, it might be, first of all, it might be the CEO, it might be the CEO, it might be the general manager, it might be the chief executive officer, which is the CEO, or it might be a person, the head of department, and whatever he's overseeing, he actually watching over few other departments. Meaning within the same business, if there are other departments, is the person overseeing, meaning is overseeing the few other departments that within his general department, that he is the manager. All right, it means that he's actually managing all the department by watching over. All right, adapt. All right, adapt over here. When we talk about adapting here, we mean that we make fit for something, to make somebody fit for something, or um, to change or to adjust in order to suit for a particular purpose, or adapt or conform oneself to a different conditions. Whenever you want to fit in a condition or to conform yourself in the condition, you adapt. All right. We have streamline. Streamline over here, it's simply to put in order or to organize. In other words, I would say it can also mean to make it simpler. To make it simpler. Is that okay? To troubleshoot. I think you have seen it in on internet. Um, you might have seen any time that you're facing difficulties on internet, you found that it say troubleshooting or troubleshoot. Troubleshoot here is to solve problems. If I troubleshoot, it means I solve the problem. I'm solving. It might be a business problem. It might be a technological problem, a technical problem, whatever problem it may be. It's to solving that problem. That's the meaning of troubleshoot, to solve the problem. To review over here, the fifth one. To review means to look at it again and again and again. Or over here, I would say the second time, because it's viewing for the first time and reviewing for the second time. Which means, for example, you did view something and then you come to review it, meaning to watch it again, all right? Or to look at it again, or to examine again. Is that okay? The second time. To monitor. Monitor is very easy. To monitor, let's say I'm monitoring every single movement in the building. It means I'm actually watching. You know, I'm actually keeping an eye on everything that is happening within the building. I'm keeping everything that is happening in the building under surveillance. You see, so to monitor is to check. To monitor is to solve to do like to watch over, to watch what is going on. To monitor is almost like supervising, but it's a little bit more than that with the security measure. To recommend, to express a good opinion about anybody for any particular purpose. That to recommend. Let's say I have to recommend someone who is in my department and I have to recommend it to another department. Let's say one of my employees. What I do is I express the good opinion about him to the other department. So I recommend him to the other department that it may be accepted or for his credibility. Um, to establish. Establish. Somebody will ask, what is establish? To establish is to set up, to lay the ground for something. Let's say I have my business. My business is called let's say Europa Crest Company, and I have to establish a Europa Crest Company. Let's say an example, and I have to go there to set up the business, to put it on the ground, to put a foundation, to put it that it may be stable over there, meaning to establish there. Do you understand? It means to stabilize it, the company in that environment, to stabilize it, to build it, to put it on the ground, to stabilize there in Luxembourg, that is maybe working. That's establishing a business, meaning establish. It can happen that you want to establish your business in China, you want to establish your business in India, you want to establish your business in US, wherever you want to do, you want to stabilize, to build it, stabilize, put it down there, over there, and start a business there that may be stable. You establish there. All right. Next one, to document. All right. To document here, it's simply to record the details. Recording means to keep the information within the memory system. To keep the information within the memory system, or to keep the information within the I would say the background. I would say within the storage for future viewing. Whenever you want to document, you have it means you say, okay, I have to document all whatever we have done in 2024. So I put it in the storage system and I put it in a memory system, so that anytime I want to come back to view it again, I can come and view it again. It also means to support or supply with more information and references. Sometimes to document whatever you are doing, any project, it means to get more information to support your project, to support your plan, to support your ideas, to support what you want, the project that you, to support the document that you want to do, with references from other documents that may be linked to what you do now, or they can be maybe made for other information for if anybody want to check where you got the information, meaning to add or to bring more information to emphasize what you are doing within your own project in terms of information, all right, to support it with information that's documented, all right. To consult, which is the last one. To consult here, maybe let's say, okay, to consult here means to get or ask advice from someone. That's where the word consultants come from, or consultant. You see, somebody who is a consultant is a person that we go to consult. We do consultants. All right. Now we go there to ask for advices. All right. To seek information, or more information, more understanding, more advices, more counsel. That's where the word counsel come from. So to consult here is to go to seek for information, to ask for advices. So it can happen within the business situation for you to understand, maybe to take decision about something. You can go and consult your supervisor. You can go and consult your head of department. You can go and consult a consultant and to get more information. Thank you. So stay tuned. This is the end of this video. This is the part 3. Stay tuned. We are coming with a lot of information about other videos as well. So stay tuned on our YouTube channel. Anybody who wants to contact me, you can check on my WhatsApp number, which is on the YouTube page, and my Gmail account is also available there. You can write to me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.